beware of using deadline dates in your Microsoft project schedules. You know, the deadline date feature seems pretty cool, but did you know it can actually interfere with the calculation of the critical path? Let me show you. So let's get started. Be very wary about using the deadline date feature in Microsoft Project, as this feature can actually interfere with the calculation of the critical path, specifically with the total slack value. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to right-click on the Select All button and choose the Schedule table, because the Schedule table contains a column called Total Slack. There it is. You can see that I have the critical path formatted in my Gantt chart view, where red Gantt bars represent critical tasks that have a total slack value of 0 days, and where non-critical tasks have a total slack value greater than 0 days, and you can see their Gantt bars are blue. So the first thing I want to show you is the totally safe way to use the deadline date feature. That is on the final milestone of your project, which should represent project completion. You can see my project is currently scheduled to finish on June 28th. So let's go ahead and set a deadline date of Friday of the following week. So I'll double-click on Project Complete. I'll go to the Advanced tab, click the Deadline Pick List button. I'll jump out here to July, and that would be July the 5th. When I click the OK button, there's the deadline date symbol, the little down-pointing green arrow. But I want you to notice that the total slack value is still 0 days, so that's not a problem. No problem at all. Now let's go to task number 69, however. Where the wheels really fall off the wagon is when you set deadline dates on non-critical tasks. Notice that numbers 69 and 68 both show blue Gantt bars and both have a total slack value of 80.5 days. Let's go ahead and set a deadline date of Friday of the week of February 11th on task number 69. So I'll double-click on the task, go to the Advanced tab, let's go to February, and let's make that the week of the 11th. It'll be Friday the 16th. Watch what happens. Oh no! The total slack value just dropped to 4 days on both task 69 and its direct predecessor, number 68. But the truth is, there isn't 4 days of total slack. There's the original value of way more than 4 days. So I want to caution you about using deadline dates in your project on anything other than the final milestone called Project Complete. You don't want deadline dates interfering with the critical path calculation. Now you know why you should be wary about using deadline dates in your Microsoft project schedules. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider giving it a like. If you're new to this channel, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notifications button. If you have ideas for videos I could create that would help you, please leave your suggestions in the comments area below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.